Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to set up scripts on Zen. First, let us dive into the core functionality of Zen scripts, which are powerful tools designed to automate repetitive tasks and streamline your operations. You will begin by navigating to the main dashboard, then locate the Scripts section in your left-hand menu. Clicking this option will open the Script Management interface, where you can either create a completely new script or select from pre-built templates to get started quickly and efficiently. Once you are inside the script editor, you will notice its organized layout, typically divided into three main sections. The largest area, the code editor, is where all your programming will take place, serving as your primary workspace. Below this, you will find a dedicated testing panel, which is incredibly useful for running small segments of code or checking variable outputs. Additionally, a console window provides immediate feedback, displaying any execution logs or error messages that may arise, helping you troubleshoot effectively. When crafting your first script, it is important to remember that Zen uses a flexible Java script-like syntax. Start by defining a clear function, perhaps named main, which will serve as your script's entry point. Inside this function, you can utilize the powerful built-in Zen API calls, allowing your script to seamlessly interact with various platform functionalities and data. For example, a basic script might fetch a list of 25 items, apply a filter, and then update their status, all within a few lines of code. Testing is a crucial step to ensure your script behaves exactly as intended, so utilize the dedicated testing environment within the editor. Here, you can run your script multiple times, experimenting with different inputs. If an issue arises, strategically place breakpoints in your code to pause execution, allowing you to inspect variable values at specific points. The console output will then provide invaluable clues for debugging, guiding you to correct any errors and refine your script for flawless operation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.